What is going on, crypto fam? What's happening, man? We are getting a big breakout here in crypto. Wanted to come in here and celebrate with you guys a little bit. Enjoy this ride for sure. And yeah, just come in here and hang out with you guys. I'm definitely going to actually put this over on my X too. Let's go ahead and launch that over on X too. And make sure that that live stream just kicked off. Let's see here, and we will edit that. We're also going to put it on Rumble, and let's see what's going on, everybody. Just trying to set myself up here on Rumble too, guys, real quick. Let me set up a new stream over there. Real quick, what's going on, everybody? Of course, we're celebrating. Insane, man. Insane what we're seeing. What's going on, everybody? How we feeling? How we feeling? Give me just a few seconds here. I'm just setting up my stream on Rumble. Thought I had it all ready to go, but there we go. Bang. Let me do that. And let me do this. How are we doing, ladies and gentlemen? How are we doing, crypto? You got to do a couple things here on this end. Live right now. There we go. Direct link. What's going on, y'all? What's going on? What's going on? Sorry, I'm trying to set up my Rumble stream here too, here real quick. What's going on, y'all? Checking in with you. Obviously, we are pumping like crazy right now. Pumping like crazy. Gotta love it, baby. Gotta love it. Bitcoin over $101,000. ETH is pumping like crazy, up over 2K. XRP at 224. Solana's up over 160. Dogecoin's pumping. Who do we got in the chat? What's going on, y'all? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Dope channel to watch and learn. Much love. Keep grinding. Appreciate you, Daniel. Thank you, bro. Let me give you guys some tunes real quick. I want to do bonsai. All right, there we go. Just trying to set up my Rumble stream here real quick. Massive news and breakout. Okay, there we go. We're live everywhere now. Should be live on X too. There we go. There we go. We are back. Guys, welcome in. Woo! Crazy, huh? You just never know, man. You just never know. I'm long 125x from 94.4. Dude, that's crazy, bro. That's crazy. Hey, congrats, man. What platform are you using? BTCC or Bitify? What do you use to go long? We've got some good relationships with BTCC. They're top tier exchange. I opened up a couple leverage longs too over on BTCC. You guys can check it out. Link down below if you want to. I don't go crazy 150x leverage though, bro. That's wild. I don't go that crazy with it. Definitely don't go that crazy with it. But I mean, as soon as Bitcoin crossed over 100K, guys, it was off to the races. I mean, just a pure explosion here from Bitcoin up to 101. And if you look out, zoom out here, guys, I mean, we're going to make a push, I think, toward close to all-time highs. I think the remaining of this week, it looks very good. I mean, the floodgates have opened now for us to at least go up there and sniff it at 109. Now, keep in mind, it only got to 109 real quick, and then it retraced. We're only about 7% down from that all-time high right now. But this is all on the back of Trump and getting a deal done with the UK. Huge trade deal announced this morning. We talked about it on the Crypto Breakfast Club. If you guys don't follow me on X, you definitely want to do so. Definitely come check us out over on X if you're not yet over there. We're live streaming this there. And we're live streaming it over on Rumble right now. So welcome in. If you're coming in from Rumble, what's up? What's up? I know we got quite a few people over there just finding us over there. But the meme coin sector, guys, pumping right now. Let's check it out. Dogecoin's up 11%, getting close back up to 20 cents. Shib, we haven't seen it like this in a while, up 10+%. Look at Pepe, up 25%. Pepe's up 25%. All it took was Ethereum to get up 10%. And this meme coin market exploding here. Floki's up 17%. Look at Brett, guys. Brett's up 40%. Back up to a $720 million market cap. Look at this, up 189% in the last month. I've never slammed the door shut on Brett, guys. All-time high now, just 69% away from the all-time high on Brett. We got up to about 1.9 billion at the peak. We're getting close to that $1 billion market cap yet again on Brett. When we hit that 10 cent range, we'll be back in the $1 billion category. This is the only and top meme coin on base, guys. Yeah, MOG looks good too. MOG looks very good too. Let's see where MOG is. MOG's up 41% today. $395 million market cap. It's still 74% down from its all-time high, but MOG looks really strong too. Really nice return here on MOG as well. Just outside the top 100. I mean, a lot of these meme coins making some major runs. WIF has been quiet for a while. It's making a run up. SPX is making a run. Fartcoin, hot air rising, that's for sure. We were down below $1 yesterday on Fartcoin. We got down below $1. Bonk continues to be pretty strong. 1.5 billion, up 16%. The official Trump token up to 2.5, almost $1 billion market cap. Pepe, I mean, really, really strong. Pepe's shown a lot of strength, even during the downturn. We just broke a 0, by the way, on Pepe. So we're back down to 4 zeros instead of 5. We have not seen this type of price action on Pepe. Man, we got to go back to, mid-February until we were at, last time we were at this level. Got to go back to mid-February on Pepe. So all it took was a little bit of an ETH pump, guys. I mean, ETH's up 13%. It's pumping pretty good, getting close to 250 billion. But what that did was it unlocked these meme coins on Ethereum that we've been waiting for. We've been waiting for ETH to make its run so these other things can run hotter and higher. And that's exactly what's happening. ETH's up 13%. You guys can see what these meme coins are doing. Some of them up 30, 40%. That's the kind of thing we look for. The multiply effect, exactly. You look at the top assets on a blockchain. When that blockchain pumps, those top assets tend to pump higher and harder. Is Doge going to do anything in your professional experience? I mean, listen, I think Dogecoin has done quite a bit already. I mean, it's still hovering here just below a $30 billion market cap. You got to keep in mind, Pedro, this is a huge market cap now. Massive market cap. But we ran up close to all-time highs, guys. We went up and made a really nice run here, late last year. Got up close to 50 cents. I mean, it's a volatile chart. Do I think one day Dogecoin is going to be $1? Yeah. I mean, do I think it has like 100x potential from here? No. I mean, it's already massive. Do I think it can get to, again, $100 billion market cap one day and beyond? Sure. I definitely think it can get there. It is proof of work. The tech actually is pretty solid behind it. That's the thing people really, fail to really mention or talk about with Dogecoin. There's actually some pretty good tech behind Doge. BTC and ETH rising, bringing the market up. Good stuff. Yeah, finally we got Ethereum rising with Bitcoin, right? Finally, we've got both of the top assets moving together. You forgot Pengu. Yeah, I know about it. I've just never invested in it. Look at SWI, guys. SWI's at 392. Crazy, man. All-time high is only 26% away. Set back in January at $5.35. So SWI's looking great right now. Look at that great bounce. We dipped down below $2 and we've been off to the races. Almost have doubled up since then on SWI. And the entire SWI ecosystem, guys. Okay, look at this. You got Deep Protocol. That's looking really solid. Hold on, I'm going to send a message real quick. But Deep Protocol looks great. This thing's been booming for a while. It came back down to 15 cents. I actually took a long on Deep. I told my community in the Crypto Breakfast Club, make sure you guys are hopping in that free Telegram. Just go to my page on X, go to my link tree, or go to Crypto Breakfast Club official account. You'll find the TG. I tweet about it often, too, on my main page. It's totally free. I told everybody I was taking a long on Deep at 15 cents, and hopefully some people listen because we're printing on that long right now. It's up to 20 cents, almost back into the top 100. Again, if you guys are interested in checking out, what I'm using my trading indicator XT Algo to find the best entries and exit, guys. I've been trading a lot the last 4 or 5 months. It's a little over $1 a day. You can give it a try today. There's a link down below. Use the discount code in the description of the YouTube video. 21% off when you use discount code X. It's $1 a day. Get you started. 30-day money back guarantee. There is literally no reason why you shouldn't try it. You can easily set up your own customized alerts, anything crypto, stocks, Forex. You can trade all the top assets. And I walk you through how to use it, guys. We are printing using the indicator, and we're doing a great job on some low leverage plays too. A lot of it's within the SWI ecosystem, man. Look at Lofi. Lofi, top meme coin on SWI's up 25+%. Crushing it. Look at Walrus. It's up 17%. You've got Cetus up 22%. I mean, this entire SWI ecosystem just booming right now. Cetus is going to go up and touch local tops here, about 23 cents. Looks close to be doing that. Bitcoin comfortably over 101 right now. XRP kind of quietly moving up, still up 6%, up to 225. Pretty solid there. Solana's got over 160 today. That was good to see. We did pop up over 160. Bittensor Tau, man. How about Bittensor Tau? We opened up a trade on Bittensor when it was underneath $200, guys. So check this out. Let's go over to TradingView. Bittensor Tau has been on an absolute tear, man. So this is Tau. But just go into the 1 day. So the possible retracement up right here, this candle, the possible retracement up, this was the sign that a reversal was coming. And then this was the momentum up. This was full on get in now while you still can at 274. Even if you waited until the momentum up, which was the clear buy signal. I mean, here in the last 20 days, you're up 51+% if you're using XT Algo and my indicator, the software. All right. And this is why I'm just telling you guys, give it a shot. It's a 30-day money-back guarantee. You literally have nothing to lose. You get a full refund at the end of 30 days if you don't like the product. But I'm telling you guys, this can help you print gains and get these 30, 40, 50% moves. And it just allows you to stack all your other high conviction plays. It's just fast-tracking your ability to have more capital. And nothing's 100%. I'm not going to sit here and say that this is going to be 100% all the time. All I'm saying is I am winning way more than I'm losing. I would say right around 80% of the trades that I take using the indicator, I'm successful. I'm not greedy. I take the profits and get out, right? But Bittensor Tau has been one that, I mean, I was screaming from the mountaintops when it dipped down below 200. I couldn't believe it dipped down that low. Evening from Thailand. What's going on, guys? SWI looks phenomenal right now. Pepe looks phenomenal right now. Gradually reducing XRP roll to just transaction fees, written by Sam Wisdom Ralph. Gotcha. How do you feel about ICP and Jasmy? I own Jasmy, not ICP right now. ZK Sync looks interesting. Loving Toshi. I own some Toshi. Morning, Daniel. How you doing? Art Caffeine, what's happening, bro? Barcoin, how did the technicals look? Honestly, they looked really good. Actually, when it dipped down below $1 yesterday, I actually, I took a little trade. I actually got out of it at like 108. I actually got out of it here yesterday. But I picked up some on this reversal from like 92 back up to like 108. Just took a little scalp trade on it. I missed Fartcoin early days, but I mean, the last momentum up on the daily flashed right back here at 55 cents. That was 46 days ago. Nice 114% return. That was the last clear momentum up on our trading indicator. So, I mean, there was another opportunity right there to make 114% using XT Algo. I'm up 63% on beef, Moondang. Nice. It's a green, amazing day. Hell yeah. Ripple, Garlinghouse are going centralized. Prices being manipulated. 100%. It's centralized, but I don't care. I still think there's enough pent-up demand for XRP. I still think it's going to pump. And I agree with you, James. I think it's completely centralized, but I don't care. It's not going to hold me or refrain me from investing into it. I'm just going into it with open eyes, knowing that it's centralized, knowing that it's manipulated, but also knowing just how crazy the retail demand is with XRP. It's not even close. I mean, there's more retail interest in XRP than anything else right now. Anything. It's not even close. I mean, call it a fake pump, whatever. I mean, call it whatever you want. I mean, listen, bro. The fact of the matter is it's pumping. And that's really all you need to know. I mean, there's money to be made right now. So the market's running for a few reasons. Number one, I think Trump really pumped the markets yesterday after Powell came out, with the interest rate decision basically to do nothing. But then Trump was teasing some big news. He came out this morning, dropped that news, basically saying that they've got a deal, the United States and the UK, on tariffs. And that creates a lot more certainty in the markets. We've already in a kind of slow grind upwards. We were already in a nice uptrend in the last month. A month ago, guys, Bitcoin was at $75,000. Crazy. It's just how volatile the market is. And things can go up and down just as fast. But this is why you just got to stay in the game. And to me, you got to have a Bitcoin strategy and an altcoin strategy. But that news that came out this morning from Trump, definitely pumping the markets. There's no doubt about it. Yeah, that exactly. I think a lot of these could be looked at as potential catalyst, Andy. Trumped Powell, kind of, yeah. XPX token. What's up, XPX? How you doing, y'all? How you doing, man? We've had them on the Crypto Breakfast Club. Shout out to XPX token. Shout out to you guys. Definitely check them out, guys. If you guys are watching the stream, give them a look over on X. Love what they're building over there. We've had them over on the Crypto Breakfast Club before as a sponsor. So shout out to them. Man, Brett is back in the top 100. Let's go. Brett is back in the top 100 where it belongs. So here we go, man. Whiff is back in the top 100 too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 meme coins now in the top 100 on CoinMarketCap. And a few others just outside. You got SPX, Popcat, Turbo, Ape, Mog. AI16Z has been pumping as well. They just got listed on crypto.com, was it? AI16Z? But guys, I mean, some of the large caps are pumping really nicely, right? I mean, you got some meme coins up here. You got Brett, Pudgy, Pepe, Whiff. But look at this. You got Virtuals. You got Sui. Lido DAO. When Ethereum pumps, Lido DAO pumps. This is liquid staking on Ethereum. Yep, Lido DAO always pumps when Ethereum pumps. Just had to kill a spider. I seen this thing come down. Just web down. I'm seeing this thing come down. I'm like, oh, hell no. We're taking care of that right now. Man, I heard about AMP way back in the day. 2020, 2021. They got in all kind of issues with the SEC. I'm kind of over a lot of that stuff from back in the day, man. There's so much of that, man, that's, I'm not going to say it's dead, but it's just, there's so many other things now going on in the space. You got to move with the market. I'm not saying AMP is bad by any means, but one that I remember from back in that day that I still like is ACH, Alchemy Pay. They're top 200 crypto. They're up about 10% today. Up 46% in the last month. They don't move very much, even in bear markets, man. I mean, they are stable. But they got some potential upside, I think. $240 million market cap. This is one of those oldies that I still own. I think they got some upside potential. But yeah, I do remember AMP from back in the day. XPX is not an ISO token. No, they're a payment solution, though. Pretty interesting what they've got. Patience is a virtue. 100%. AMP's use case is great, though. 100%. 100%. Where is AMP from a market cap standpoint now? Who knows? I haven't looked at this in a long time. We'll look at it real quick. Oh, they did pump up pretty nice, huh? But I mean, look how far down they are from their all-time highs, man. Still 96% down. I just don't know if they'll ever, will they come back there? I mean, I don't know. Pie's moving. I've seen DGen coin before. Moondang market cap's under 60 mil. Yeah, maybe Tsunami Tommy. I mean, who knows, bro? Who knows? I mean, it's fun to put the tinfoil hat on sometimes, though. Nobody knows. Nobody knows who Satoshi Nakamoto is or whatever. Why it was designed, who designed it. Was it a group of people? Was it one person? Nobody knows. I mean, it's fun to speculate, but nobody knows. Guys, make sure you are subscribed to the YouTube channel if you haven't already. Smash that like button for us. Let us know you're here. Appreciate all the new folks, too, watching in from Rumble, listening in, or watching in from X. Shout out to everybody, man. Appreciate you guys. Man, it feels good to see some green in the market, don't it? Feels good to be here at the right time. Going through the ups and the downs of the market. This is why you do it. This is why we do it, man. This is why we show up every single day. Because it's days like this we get to sit here and reap the rewards. Right? This is why we do it. Zach, do you do much day trading? How long do you usually keep a trade open? Not so much day trading, Thomas. I would say mostly swing trading. But a lot of my trades stay open for days and weeks. Like, for instance, Bittensor Tau. I mean, even here, Fartcoin, I took this trade from 55 cents. I got out at 110 on the candle yesterday. This was scaring me a little bit. But I got out at 110 yesterday and just exited. Now it's pumping again today. That's fine. But I'll take it. You know, it was a like 100% move to the upside. I took this trade. And again, I'm using my trading indicator XT Algo. That's what I'm using, guys. And I walk you through how to set all this up. There's two different indicators that comes with this package. It's a 30-day money-back guarantee. There's a discount code in the description called X. If you sign up, the best option is quarterly. You can get this for $90 for 3 months, meaning it's $1 a day. It's $30 a month for the quarterly option. 30-day money-back guarantee. You can try it risk-free for the first 30 days. Literally, you can get started right now. I walk you through how to use it, how to set yourself up. If you need a TradingView account, I got you. Got your referral code, walk you through how to set all that up, and you're off and running, man. But it has helped me immensely in this bear market. I launched it in 2023, but I had it out live for about 4 or 5 months before I went to market with it. And man, it's helped me. It's helped me a lot, man. It's helped me a lot. So definitely encourage you guys to check it out for sure. But yeah, I mean, that Tau trade we made, this was a great trade here. I actually picked it up at the possible retracement up, got it just underneath 200. And I mean, for example, though, like here's the momentum up. This is your better signal. Like here's a trade, 20 days, you know, so it's a little bit longer time frame, but it's like you're collecting more data, so you feel better about your decision. Day trading is really tough because you're just trading in tight windows. But here, like a 20-day window, you know, since our momentum up, you're up 53%. And then I just literally kind of wait for the momentum down signal. And that's my signal to pretty much exit. Or if we start getting close to where I think the momentum is kind of losing its luster or there's something else macro, I'll just exit the trade on my own. But I mean, shit, the play we made on SWE was phenomenal too. I mean, this is a recent pump from 260. But I bought in on this candle here, on this reversal. Once we broke back above $2, the possible retracement up. And if you zoom in here off the daily and go into the 4-hour, you'll kind of see where this came into play. Right in here on the, I like to trade on the 4-hour. So it was actually a little above $2, but 224. There you go. Last 17 days on this momentum up, last big momentum up before the one that flashed today. Right here, April 21st. You're up 75% on a top, 15 crypto on SWE. And again, it's xtalgo.com, guys. There's a link down below. This is what I've been using, man. It's been helping me a ton make the right plays. And then it's allowing me to stack my chips in high conviction plays and get more Bitcoin. So market's looking great, man. Market is looking great. Brett is continuing to pump like crazy. Yeah, even Shib's taken off a little bit today. Appreciate you, man. Appreciate all the support. Appreciate you guys rocking with me. Couldn't do it without you. We're on this journey together, man. That's what it comes down to. So I really do appreciate everybody who tunes into the streams, tunes into the videos. Really means a lot to me. Just been grinding, man, every single day for a long time, 4+ years with the channel. So you believe as big as Bitcoin as cryptocurrency has gotten that nobody knows? Who cares who made it? You still think government weren't ever going to control digital? Oh, 100% they were going to eventually come into the party. But listen, man, if you bought Bitcoin, below like $40,000+, you're front running the institutions. I was accumulating at 20K, 18K. So I was stacking Bitcoin, I got my first little bit of Bitcoin underneath 10K back in 2017. Ended up losing it, but that's a whole nother story. But basically what I'm telling you is, yeah, the institutions, they were always going to be coming, but that's the reason why the price is pumping so much. Yeah, you could say it's manipulated or whatever, but remember, the supply and demand shows us like, hey, eventually there's going to be no supply, and the demand is continuing to skyrocket, whether it's from institutional, from retail, from governments, BlackRock, Michael Saylor, billionaires. The tokenomics still look phenomenal for Bitcoin. So well, we're going to find out what's coming on, what's coming down the line with stablecoins with the Genius Act. Listen, Donald Trump said that there will not be a CBDC under his presidency. And as long as he stays true to that, like, we're in a pretty good spot in the United States for not seeing a CBDC under his regime. He said that at Bitcoin Nashville. I was sitting there 7 rows back from him speaking. And I remember that's one of the things he said. So I'm not concerned about a CBDC necessarily in the United States with Trump here. But in terms of stable coins, I'm very interested to see how this all plays out. And I think it's the first step for true regulation in the crypto environment. They're clearly wanting to get that done first before they, look at everything else and deem what's a security, what's a commodity, who's going to be the governing body, how does the tax structure look, all of that. Brett's green candle looks phenomenal right now. We got room to run here on Brett, at least up to 900 mil, I think here. I think Brett can at least run to 900 mil. Bull on Tron looks pretty interesting too. I mean, it has gotten decimated. If Tron meme coins are ever going to wake back up, I don't know, man. Maybe not. I don't know, that thing looks dead as a doorknob, but I'm still going to hold it because I am upside down. Man, that was cool for a little while, though. The whole Tron meme coin run. Then it just fizzled out. Good to see Ponky up. Ponky's breaking out. $74 million market cap now on Ponky. The whole meme coin market is waking up. Tars AI. We've been partnered up with one of the top AI plays on Solana for a while. They're pumping today at 46%. Who was mentioning Toshi earlier? I do like Toshi still. 174 mil right now. Yeah, that chart still looks pretty solid. We had a big pump there in January. Set new all-time highs with Toshi. This is the other one on base that I like, that I own. I only own 2 meme coins on base, Brett and Toshi. All right, guys, don't forget to click that subscribe button. I am going to jump. I just wanted to come on and hang out live with you guys a little bit. We were live streaming today on Rumble, live streaming today on YouTube, live streaming today on X. I got to hop on a meeting here in a few, but I wanted to come out and hang out with you guys for a few. Appreciate you guys. And again, stay on the lookout. I'm going to have a bunch more content coming out, videos. Make sure you guys are following me over on X for sure. We're doing Crypto Breakfast Club. I'm trying to push this thing to 130K. I cannot get over this hump. So if you guys want to help me out, I'm trying to get to 130K here on X, man. It's brutal right now. But yeah, I mentioned this a few different times. If you guys are interested in getting the trading indicator, highly encourage you guys to check it out. Use the discount code, link down below. It's literally risk-free. You could try it for 30 days. If you don't like it, get your full refund. But if you take this serious, it's helped me a lot, guys. And I'm confident it can help you too. So check out XT Algo as well. And listen, I thank you guys. Thank you guys so much, and love hanging out with you. Let's continue to be on this crypto journey together, man. It's a wild one, and a lot of ups, a lot of downs, but today's one of those days we reap the rewards for sure. And enjoy it, man. So love seeing that, dude. Look at that. Bitcoin at $101,000. You love to see it. You love to see it. Appreciate you guys. We'll catch you on the next video. Peace.